I'm gonna be manic the next 4 days trying to get my life together and get shit ready to go down to Florida for a week. But I'm not just going to Florida for a week to have fun and play and see my family. I'm going down there to work and do a couple art events. I used to do those in the past, but it's been at least a year since I've set up like a physical art booth. So I got shit to do. I have to make so much stuff. Mostly because when I was doing those events regularly, I would have a ton of jewelry already ready for the events, paintings, coasters, yada yada yada. But when I'm not doing events like that, most of my products are made to order. So I'll make jewelry as it's being purchased or whatever it may be. I don't have like a stock of coasters available right now because I just haven't made any in a while. And those are the two things. The three things that do the best at my events are jewelry, coasters, and bikinis. And so far, I just have bikinis. Today's Thursday. I'm leaving on Tuesday to go do this trip for a week. So I'll actually have a couple of days in Florida to make like final arrangements or make some more shit if I need to, like make more jewelry, because the events don't start until Friday. I have stuff going on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that's exciting, but it's gonna be a lot. It's a lot, not just like a lot to like set up and break down the actual booth, but a lot of socializing, a lot of being like on my game. I haven't done this in a while. I'm a little nervous. This video is gonna be me showing you my process of like making stuff, so that way you can like get more of an insight on what I do and how I do it. And also I'll take you guys with me down to Florida and you'll see the art event. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna be filming this video for over a week. Today's Friday, I thought it was Thursday. I'm in my little art room. I'll show you my art room in a minute. It's not the most organized right now, but this is what I consider like my little sanctuary. I'm gonna start painting some coasters. I paint them on these little wooden slabs, and I literally have not painted coasters in so long. I didn't even know if I had enough of these. I have just enough to make 3 sets of coasters. I do sets of 4, so I'll be painting 12 coasters today. I'm starting right now. It's 8:22 in the morning, because while these are drying, I will work on some jewelry. Yeah, you'll see. Okay. I'm gonna throw on a little movie on Netflix and just zone out, but let me show you the art room. So right now I'm sitting on my little floor mattress. I don't know if you can see, but it's only about like 2 inches thick. And then behind me, this is called a moon pod. It's basically just like a big bean bag, but you can like lean it up against the wall, like I have it right now, and sit in it in a chair, whatever. But I have it in this corner, so that way when I'm sitting on my little floor mattress, I can just like lean against the beanbag and just be really, really comfortable. Okay, let me give you the grand tour. So once you walk into this room, this is what it looks like. Messy, like I said, very messy. This box is not usually there. That's what I was setting the camera up on. So, but I've got a twin size bed in here. Nobody ever sleeps in here, but before I got the floor mattress, I used to sometimes like sprawl out on this bed while I would be painting. Do you see how small those coasters are? I don't have to be like standing up or using like an easel or whatever to paint. I can sit down and be comfortable. So anyways, mattress. I need to hang these paintings up eventually. They've been there for like 6 months. And then I've got prints on the floor that I've yet to hang. A couple prints are on the walls, but not that many. Another one of my aunt's paintings. I would love to hang that right there or somewhere out in the living room. Have to get it framed. Haven't done that yet. Okay, moving on. Over here, pottery wheel. This shelf is bolted into the wall. I've got like books, jewelry supplies, paintbrushes, more books, printer stuff, more canvases. This little storage container has mostly like clothing and bikinis that I sell, so I just use these little cubbies to store that stuff. And then above it, I'm using these like, I think these are meant for like a garage, these boards, these peg boards, but I'm using it to like store my paint, although most of my paint is right over here on the floor mattress since I'm going to be using it right now. I should have made a little snack to bring in here. I think we're a little crooked. Okay, first things first. coffee. So the first thing I do when I am starting on the coasters, I lay out all of the wooden slabs. And then I try to like group them according to like size and shape, so that way there's a good balance of like larger coasters, like usually 2 large ones, 2 medium-sized ones in each set. Alright, we've got the groups. Now, this doesn't take me that long anymore to get this process going because I've made so many of these coasters. But now I'm going to just lightly sketch my design on all 12 of these with just a pencil. All the sketches are done on all 12 coasters. Now we have to mix some paint. Coasters, first layer of paint is done. We've got this really pretty pastel set. This is like a classic color combo that I do. This one and then this. So I used acrylic paint to do all this stuff. Mushrooms, the little stems, all that. Now I'm gonna mix up some resin and do a coat of resin over top of this, and then I'm gonna do a second layer of paint, but I just wanted to show you how they look after the first step. Hello again. Today is Monday. I don't remember what day I started this video, but I know that I have not checked in a couple days because I literally have done nothing other than paint and make jewelry. I did find time to go hike yesterday, so let me show you what I've done. I've just kind of left all of this on the kitchen counter because I have been working on it day after day after day, so I figured there's no point in packing it up right away. But just lots and lots and lots of necklaces, couple ankle bracelets. I still have quite a few ankle bracelets to make and some more earrings to make, but this is what it looks like so far. I've also been trying to set aside stuff that I'm going to be bringing with me because I will get to Florida. I'm leaving tomorrow to go to Florida, and I'll have 3 days before my first art event, so I'll be able to do a little bit more jewelry while I'm down there. The biggest priority truly was getting the coasters and the paintings all ready. I'll show you how they're coming out, but mostly because those are things that needed to dry completely, so that's why I was so worried about starting them. Here's how the coasters are looking so far. They're totally dry, but the resin, I have not updated you guys at all, but basically I painted the mushrooms with acrylic paint, then I did 1 coat of resin, then I painted these leaves on top of that first coat of resin because that makes them kind of pop and kind of gives them like a 3D effect, and then I did 1 final coat of resin, and resin takes a long ass time to dry, but they're finally dry. So now I don't know if you can tell, but they're all kind of connected because when the resin pours over the coasters, they all, you see the resin is kind of like connecting all of them. So I'm gonna have to go in and cut this extra resin off around the edges. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll show you. There'll be one more step to finishing these, but I'm gonna do that in Florida. All right, this is how they're looking so far. These are 3 that I'm bringing with me that are already finished. You can see I have like this felt on the bottom, so that way when they're on top of a table, they won't like make marks on the table. So I'm gonna bring the felt and my glue to Florida to glue that on the bottom of these, just because I don't think that they'll be dry in time for tomorrow. But I've got these colors. So I've got 2 with this color. These are older ones. 1 with this color, 4 with that color, 4 of that color, and then 4 of this color. So they all look really nice together if people want to mix and match. And then as far as paintings, these are the paintings that I picked up. I don't know if I said this, but I picked them up from a coffee shop that they were displayed in my town. I didn't have time to do any new paintings, and I'm really happy with these, so I thought they'd be fun to bring. This is like a little 2-piece set, and then just that one. So yeah, I'm bringing like a big suitcase, so I'm gonna start packing up all my products. I gotta get clothing and bikinis out of there, and then also like little bowls and stuff like that for display. I gotta get all that stuff together. I also ordered on Amazon last night quite a few things that I'll use for my display because I haven't done a booth in so long, and I got rid of all the things that I used to use, like tables and a tent. So big things like that I just ordered to my mom's house because I'll be staying with her for the week. It'll be there when I get there and whatever. So when I get to town tomorrow, I'll show you all the things that I'm gonna do, like a practice run of my display at my mom's house because I haven't set up in so long, and I just want to make sure that I like know how I want the display to look, so that way it doesn't take me that long the day of the events. It wasn't as colorful yesterday morning. Really? It was a bit more gray, I feel. And it looks almost like, because you've been out to the Red Rocks, right? Well, I don't know so much about the Red Rocks, but like, you know those rock mountains that just like come up? Maybe more so like Arches National Park. Yeah. But you've been there, right? Yeah. Don't they kind of look like some of the rocks a little bit? They do. Oh, it's so... On my camera too, look how it kind of like oh my gosh, we can see it here, but it just looks a little bit more intense, like how it's blue sky and then that. Oh my god, the orange genuinely looks like lava, like on my camera. Look through that hole because I zoomed in, and oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. I'm so glad I brought my camera. I didn't bring it yesterday. First event of the weekend. Mom. Okay.
Are you doing a video?
Yes. This is majority of the booth setup. This is a pretty small event, this first one, so I could only do one table. So we've got lots and lots and lots of jewelry, some paintings, lots of coasters. I already sold a set of coasters. They were more full in this area. Got some ankle bracelets sold, so that's nice. Pretty. And then just a small little clothing rack. Bikinis, tube tops, whatever leftover hoodies I had. Tote bags. So sweet.
Step back and get a hold.
I'm good, Mom. As it turns out, I did not finish the video. I'm editing this right now and I realized that that was the last clip. So this is the end of the video. I only filmed 2 of the 3 events that I did this weekend, but I probably was just distracted, honestly, so that's why you didn't see the entire event. I'm gonna film, sorry, the lighting is just making me look a little weird. I'm gonna film some more videos like this to try to be more professional and show you like the actual setting up and breaking down and things of that sort. So stay tuned for more art stuff. I hope you liked this. I hope it was fun to see some art stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys.